How to not get got during the recession. In this video, I'm going to give you 5 scams to be on the lookout for, how to not get scammed during the recession, and tips and tricks on how to shop safer online. Number 1 is the Zelle payment scam. Probably don't know this, but if you're part of a major bank like Wells Fargo, Chase, Citi, probably don't know that you're already a part of Zelle. A lot of these banks conduct their transfers through Zelle. Now what scammers are doing is they're sending texts claiming to be a bank representative that, hey, there's been some fraud with your account. Hey, did you send money, $5,000 here? Obviously you're gonna freak out. Obviously you're gonna say no. They're going to ask you for your bank information, your login, and obviously from there, you can send and transfer money, change your password, do all kinds of stuff with your account. I will say a lot of these texts do look legit, but if you do get a text or a phone call saying there's been fraud with your account, actually look up the number to your bank and call the bank or go to a branch yourself, tell them the message or tell them what they said on the call and actually tell you whether it's fraud or if there actually is a problem with your account, and then you can just handle it while you're there. But yes, the Zelle payment scam is something to be on the lookout for during the recession. The second scam to be on the lookout for is P2P scams or peer-to-peer scams. Apps such as Cash App, PayPal, Venmo should only be used with people that you trust and like friends and family. A lot of the times in online sales, people are requesting that you pay them through Cash App, PayPal, Venmo. As soon as you send that money over, they end up just keeping the money and just walking away, shutting the page down and never to be seen again. These apps are not responsible for you getting scammed. So recommend whatever platform you're buying from, buy it through there. If you're buying on OfferUp, buy through OfferUp. If you're buying on Facebook, buy through Facebook. Each have their own payment processing services and they offer protection if you buy on there. If you send it through Cash App or PayPal, not even the app can help you. So just be mindful of that. If I'm meeting up in person and I've inspected and determined that this item is legit, then on the spot I will send them money or receive money. That is only after I've inspected the item and yes, it is legit. Yes, I can go ahead and send money. But that is the only way that I say to use that method. Peer-to-peer scams, be on the lookout for those. Now the third scam to be on the lookout for is the disaster scam. Now the disaster scam, definitely something to be on the lookout for during a recession. It's very prevalent through times of turmoil. Basically, you see a post or you get sent a text or email like, hey, there's been a hurricane here. Can you send money to provide relief for this situation? You're just trying to be a good person, but a lot of the time scammers will send these emails, texts, or phone calls. They're a fake link, a fake page to get your information, trying to get your card information or login information. And then you just trying to send a quick $10, $20, $100 turns into something more. So just be mindful of that. If you get a random text saying provide relief for this certain situation, go ahead and Google the actual disaster that they're claiming if you really do want to help, and there will be links or websites to that actual page. Just in general, be mindful of random texts and random emails saying to provide relief for a certain situation. It was very prevalent when Houston was flooded. This happened a lot when the whole flood happened in Houston. So disaster scams are definitely something to look out for during the recession. Now the fourth scam to be on the lookout for is the pay half now, pay half later scam. This all the time in online sales. Sellers will either ask for a deposit or saying that you can pay half now and then pay half later when you receive the item. It sounds amazing to you because you think like, oh, I don't have to pay the whole thing now and I can pay the other half when I see that I actually got the item. The problem is a lot of these sellers will ask that you pay them on Cash App, Venmo, PayPal, who are not liable if you do get scammed. They ask for payment on there, and as soon as you send that money over, they can just run away with it. They can close the account down. Most of the times they ghost you. The next thing that you know that you're out $200 and you don't have a product. The good ones will actually send an actual package out in transit. They'll actually mail you something, which only costs like $10 to do. The tracking number and the link thinking, oh, I'm getting my item. And then as soon as you get it, it's like a pair of socks or it's something random. By that time, they've already ghosted you. They already got the money out. It's already gone. They are nowhere to be found. So just be mindful of that. Fifth and final scam on this list is the tax refund scam. Surprisingly or unsurprisingly, a lot of people still haven't gotten their tax money this year. So scammers have been making phone calls, sending emails, sending texts, claiming that they can get you your tax refund faster, claiming that you can get it today. What they do is pay a $100 fee, $50 fee, or send them $200. Again, it's a fake page, it's a fake link, and as soon as you send that money, you're gonna be out of it. So just be wary of any numbers claiming they are the IRS. You'll get your money when you get it. A lot of impatient people who do fall for this scam, so please don't be impatient. If you are still waiting on your tax refund, don't fall for this scam. This falls into the same line. If you get a random text saying that like, hey, you've been qualified for a $5,000 child tax credit, click this link to sign up and get your money. Like, those don't exist. Like, especially like if you don't have a kid and they're sending you this, don't do that. I actually had somebody do that. So don't click that link. Don't send money. Or just avoid any phone number sending you links in general, unless you subscribe for like Dick's Sporting Goods or something, and like they're sending you links to buy stuff off of there. But tax refund credit is something to definitely be on the lookout for. So those were the 5 scams to be on the lookout for and some tips to shop safer online. Now, if you want to learn about this PayPal Facebook Marketplace scam, click this video right here. A lot of people have said it has really helped them when they're shopping on Facebook Marketplace. So if you want to go check that out, click that link right there. If you enjoyed the video, if you find any value in it, please hit that like button. Subscribe for more videos just like this. Remember to flip that trash into cash. And as always, I will see you on the next one.